What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech. So today, I'm making just a quick little video. It's kind of like a pre-video coming up towards when I get the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is going to be on, well, when it comes out for people to buy, which is on the 31st of March. And yeah, I just want to let you guys know I will be getting the phone 100%. I will be getting it down. I will be having it for a few days or even a few weeks, don't know yet. But I'll be definitely giving it away. And also, I just want to, get my little what do you call it? Get my little say of the OnePlus 9. I mean, OnePlus has done an absolutely incredible job with obviously what they're doing with the device, which is the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm very excited for it, especially with that I can't even remember what it is, but that brand that they're using for the camera system is just going to be awesome. And yeah, I've been doing a little bit of a read up about the actual brand, Hasselblad, I think that's what it's called. I'm not actually sure, but you've been doing a little bit of a research and read up about the camera brand, and just the things they do with the camera is just absolutely insane. And yeah, I genuinely cannot wait. I'm very excited, as you all know. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm just really excited for when I can actually get my hands on this device. We all know OnePlus has not really been first on the camera scene. They've been trying to perfect their devices, and obviously the mechanical sides and the insides of the devices, and they've been trying to perfect it, and now I think they've perfected it, and now they're moving on to the camera. And the fact that they've brought they've jumped into the big side of the device, which is the camera. And obviously from iPhone, they do stunning cameras, lenses, and also for Samsung they've introduced that 108 megapixel lens in there as well, which is just absolutely awesome. We're getting these big brands with big cameras, and then OnePlus, big brand as well, but now they've decided to bring in the camera side of things and make the camera a lot more better by using this brand, which is just absolutely awesome. And I can't wait to test it out and see what the pictures are like, and even compare with all the models of OnePlus and see how obviously the cameras bounce off each other and see which one is better. The OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro camera will be a lot more better, but it's nice to compare both of them and see where they've come from, how the camera is improved by obviously the cameras that they've made on their previous generations of smartphones. But yeah, it's going to be absolutely awesome. I can't wait. I'm very excited. I'm very motivated. But yeah, when the device comes, obviously I'll be doing the normal things I do. I do my unboxings, then I review the phones, and possibly even a camera test as well. But that's the three main things I want to be doing on the device when obviously I get my hands on it before I give it away, and possibly even buy another one and even continue my test as well. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that for my subscribers and my long-term subscribers, and even the subscribers that are going to subscribe when they watch this video, and I just want to let you guys know that you need to tell me what kind of test you want to see with the phone, because right now in my head I want to do a unboxing video, review video, and a camera test video, and obviously a bend test as well. Obviously that's one of the things I want to do as well, just see how durable the device is. But if you guys want to see any other test or anything like that on the phone, or anything talking or regarding the phone, just leave it down in the comment section below of this video, and I'll be sure to make those videos as well. And yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this device, and I can't wait till it comes. And yeah, I can't wait to have it, because I'm just really excited, because OnePlus, I've not really been a big fan of OnePlus at all, because obviously the camera situation, and it's really not a phone that really appeals to me. Obviously you got Samsung and then iPhones. They're one of the biggest and top manufacturers in the smartphone industry. And yeah, it's just nice to know that there's another, you know, company out there that wants to bring something big to the table. This table. Well, yeah, I can't wait. And obviously, if there's anyone watching the video and you have any contacts with OnePlus and you want to send me some OnePlus to give away, then please do that, because it would be very, very nice. And also, guys, before I make my purchase, I want you guys to tell me which color you want me to actually get, because there's the grey one, the black one, and the green one. I really like the green one, but when I checked on the OnePlus website, they were out of stock. So I don't know if they're gonna have any more in stock when on the 31st, when you can actually buy these devices. But let me know down in the comment section below. Tell me which color you want to see me unbox and obviously do videos on, and yeah, that would be so damn cool. But yeah, like I said, I can't say it enough. I'm very excited because like I said, OnePlus, they want to bring more to the table, which is the camera, which is just awesome. I mean, like I said, they've perfected the whole inner software of the device. They're starting to do the outer software, which is the camera, which is gonna be absolutely fantastic and amazing. But yeah, this was just a really quick video. As you can see, my PC is not actually even on because this is just a quick video. But yeah, I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are excited as well, as much as I am. And yeah, giveaway on it. And yeah, like I said, if you want to see any more types of videos or tests, just put them down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to make those kind of videos for you. And yeah, before I go, just want to let you guys know to keep supporting me by smacking that like button. Also subscribe, turn on your post notifications so we can grow the channel, me and you watching the video. So yeah, we can get bigger, and yeah, so we can get more, you know, more bigger and better devices. And I don't know, I'm just yabbing on right now, trying to hit that 8-minute so I can get my monetizations. Oh my goodness. Anyway, guys, I was just checking if my mic was on or off. If it was off, I would be so freaking annoyed, but it's on. Well, yeah, anyway, guys, please, before you go, hit that subscribe button, because it's all fun and games here. And yeah, I like to make these videos, and yeah, thank you so much for the support as well. The giveaways I've done as well, it's been awesome as well. My most exciting giveaway was the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. That was a sick giveaway. Loads of entries and great views on the videos, and yeah, it was just absolutely awesome. But yeah, guys, without further ado, I'll see you guys on the 31st when I get the device in my hands. I'm very excited. That camera, wow. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.